According to official records, this person disappeared. But the system never noticed.
Some stories were never meant to be found. Some records were erased. This is a void case.
According to official records, this never happened. But the evidence says otherwise. The disappearance was reported, the paperwork was filed, the case was registered. Nothing about it stood out at the time. Family members contacted local authorities within 48 hours. A missing person report was submitted through standard channels. The case received a reference number. It entered the database, and then it sat there. Unresolved. Not unusual, not suspicious, just another open file. The individual was last seen on an ordinary day. Mid-morning, no travel plans, no indication of distress. They left their residence. They didn't return. No witnesses reported a struggle. No communication followed. No activity on bank accounts. No phone usage. No digital footprint. After a brief review, the case was classified as unresolved. Standard protocol. Despite the disappearance, official records remained active. Administrative entries continued. System updates were logged. Routine processes were executed. All after the disappearance. Government databases showed regular activity. Tax records reflected annual filings. Benefits were processed. Identification renewals were approved. Communication confirmations were generated. For someone who no longer existed in the physical world, the system treated them as fully present. No internal alert was triggered. No audit was initiated. No explanation was added to the file. The records simply continued. Year after year, forms were processed, documents were generated, status updates occurred. As if nothing had changed. And here's what makes it a void case. No one flagged it. Not the police database. Not the social services system. Not the revenue office. Each system operated independently. Each one confirmed, this person exists. The missing person report sat in one database. Active citizenship sat in another. They never spoke to each other. In official terms, the person was missing. But the system behaved as if nothing had changed. Two realities. One human. One digital. Both equally documented. Both equally true. And no correction was ever made. The file remains open. The records remain active. Somewhere in the system, this person still exists. Acknowledged as missing. Processed as present. The disappearance was acknowledged. the records were never updated. "05 South Silence, this was a void case. Officially, the case is closed, but some evidence was never explained. And maybe, it never will be. This was a void case. New cases every week.